This is Infinix Hot 20i, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can turn on the mobile data saver option on this device. So to begin with, you need to launch settings, then enter the SIM and network settings category. After that, go for the data and security, then data settings and data usage. Grant all necessary permissions to it, like it is shown at the guide or instruction. And at the data manager page, just open up the data saver section and switch on this toggle. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.